Presenting the GMC 2021 Sierra 1500 Denali. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are preferred equipment Group 5SA, 3.23 rear axle ratio, auto-locking rear differential, wheels, 20x9 multi-dimensional polished alloy, wheels, 22 transit steel, wheels, 22 high-gloss black, LPO, front bucket seats, forged perforated leather appointed seat trim and 10-way power driver seat adjuster with lumbar. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.